In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a vector file into an SVG or PNG format, and then show you how to upload and place it into the Wix editor seamlessly. Whether you're creating a stunning website or enhancing your online portfolio, having the correct image formats is vital for ensuring both quality and consistency. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, let's talk about why you might need to convert your vector file. Vectors are incredibly versatile because they can be scaled without losing quality. However, not every platform supports vector formats. So converting your vector file into a more universally compatible format like SVG or PNG is often necessary. SVGs are great for maintaining scalability, while PNGs are perfect for images that require a transparent background. Now that we've covered why, let's get started with the actual conversion. Start by accessing the design or photo editing software where your vector graphic is stored. Programs like Adobe Illustrator or similar will be perfect for this task. Once you have your file open, you'll want to head to the File menu in the top left corner. From here, look for the Export option. Depending on your software, the wording might slightly differ, but it should be fairly intuitive to find. When you choose to export, you'll be given several format options. Select either SVG or PNG depending on your needs, and ensure you save this newly exported file somewhere easily accessible on your computer. With your file now converted, the next step is to bring it into the Wix editor. So log into your Wix account and open the relevant website project that you're working on. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the editor. Here you'll find an Add button signified by a plus symbol. Click on this button to explore different elements you can add to your site. Once you click Add, select the image option from the drop-down menu. This is where you can upload your newly converted file. Click on My Uploads, then hit Upload Media to find the file on your computer. Navigate to the correct file location, select your SVG or PNG, and then click Open. The file should now upload to your Wix Media Manager. After successfully uploading, you can proceed to place this image on your web page. Simply drag the image from your Media Manager onto your page, positioning it exactly where you desire within your layout. Adjust size and placement as needed by dragging the corners to resize or by clicking and moving the image itself. Following these straightforward steps ensures your image maintains its quality while being perfectly integrated into your Wix site. Keep practicing these processes to become more adept at managing media, and remember, your site is often the first impression of your brand, so take great care in how these images are presented. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.